Hello everyone, my name is Bastian Ejra Christopher Simatopang from Merchant Marine Higher Education of Jakarta or STIP Jakarta. I'm from class technical 2B. Good morning all, thank you to respected to my lecture, Miss Vida and my dear friends. Today I'm going to presentation my material about main engine and propulsion system for the practical midterms of maritime English. Let me start with the introduction. Marine propulsion system fall into three categories: human propulsion, sailing, and mechanical propulsion. Human propulsion includes rowing, which was used even on large galleys. Propulsion by sails generally consists of a sail hoist on an erect mast, support by stays and spars, and control by ropes. Sail systems were the dominant form of propulsion until the 19th century. They are now generally used for recreation and competition, although experimental sail systems such as the turbo sails, rotor sails, and wing sails have been used on large modern vessels for fuel savings. Various types of marine engine propulsion system used in ships. Diesel propulsion. Diesel propulsion system is the most commonly used marine propulsion system converting mechanical energy from thermal force. Gas turbine propulsion. In the combustion chamber is carried out the combustion process by mixing compressed air and fuel. The combustion process takes place under a state of constant pressure, so it can be said that the combustion chamber is only to raise the temperature. Steam turbine propulsion, a starting drive that converts the potential energy of steam into kinetic energy and is subsequently converted into mechanical energy in the form of turbine shaft fin. Turbine shafts, directly or with the help of reduction gear, are connected by a mechanism to be driven. Nuclear propulsion. Using the nuclear fission process, nuclear propulsion is a highly complex system consisting of water reactors and other equipment to fuel this vessel. The nuclear reactors in the ships are also used to generate electricity for the ships. Principle of marine propulsion. A ship moves through the water through propelling devices such as paddle, wheels, or propellers. This device impart velocity to a column of water and move it in the opposite direction, in which is desired to move the ship. A force called reactive force because it reacts to the force of the column of water is developed against the velocity imparting device. This force, also called thrust, is transmitted to the ships and causes the ships to move through the water. Using propulsion. Using propulsion system force, ships can maneuver themselves in the water. Initially, while there were limited number of ships propulsion system, in present era, there are several innovative ones with which a vessel can be fit with. A propulsion is not just about the successful movement of the ships in the water. It also includes using the best mode of propulsion to ensure a better safety standard for the marine ecosystem along with cost efficiency. Diesel, a diesel propulsion system. A diesel propulsion system is the most commonly used marine propulsion system, converting mechanical energy from thermal force. Diesel propulsion systems are mainly used in almost types of vessels, along with small boats and recreational vessels. Diesel engines are one of those machineries that convert potential heat energy directly into mechanical energy, also called combustion engine. The combustion system is divided into internal combustion engine and external combustion engine. The internal combustion engine is the power machinery where the combustion is carried out inside the machinery itself. For example, are diesel engine, gasoline engine, gas turbines, boilers, and others. An external combustion engine is a power machinery where combustion is carried out outside the machinery itself. Example are steam turbines and steam engine. A diesel engine is a form of internal combustion engine similar to that used in a bus. Its power expressed a brake horsepower (bhp). This is the power put out by the engine. Effective horsepower is the power reflected by the piston in the cylinder. But some of this is lost by friction within the engine. The power output of a modern marine diesel engine is about 40,000 brake horsepower. This is now expressed in kilowatts. By comparisons, the engine of a small family car has an output about 8 bhp. Large diesel engines, which have cylinders nearly 3 feet in diameter, turn at relatively slow speeds about 108 rpm. The working principle of diesel engine. Two kinds of Two kinds are very popular called two-stroke diesel engine and four-stroke diesel engine. Two-stroke and four-stroke diesel engine are internal combustion engine. It means that the machine can already work along with the help of outside power. The two-stroke engine is one of the most popular machines because of its simple construction. Two-stroke diesel engine make one revolution of the crankshaft is equal to one power strokes, as well as a four-stroke engine makes two revolutions of the crankshaft are equal to one power strokes. And now we have a grammar section. In the grammar section, I will like to explain to you about cause and effect. Cause and effect is a relationship between events or things where one is the result of the other or others. This is a combination of action and reaction. Something happens, a cause, that leads to an effect. This is the form signal words or phrase plus cause plus effect. And the second is effect plus signal word or phrase plus cause. So we can make the example of signal word or phrase. The example is because of, due to, as a result of, because, caused by, as a consequence of, and etc. The example of the cause and effect is the two-stroke engine is the one of the most popular machines because of. The because of is the signal word or phrase because of its simple construction. Number two is as a result of the propulsion force, ships can maneuver themselves in water. Number three is mechanical energy is caused by the thermal force. And the next is conclusion. Marine propulsion is the mechanism or system used to generate thrust to move the ships or boat across water, while pedals and sails are still used on some smaller boats. Most modern ships are propelled by a mechanical system consisting of a motor or engine turning a propeller, or less frequently in jet drives and impeller. Marine engineering is the discipline concerned with the design of marine propulsion system. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope what I have shared would be beneficial for all of us. Good morning. Thank you.